Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Adobe Camera Raw to standardize skin tones for brands step by step clearly. Open your image in Adobe Camera Raw. Navigate to the basic panel on the right side. Adjust the temperature slider to achieve the desired warmth in skin tones. Modify the tint slider to correct any green or magenta casts. Next, locate the tone curve panel. Create a gentle S-curve by pulling down in the shadows and lifting the highlights. This adds contrast while maintaining softness in skin tones. Now, move to the HSL/grayscale panel. In the hue section, adjust the orange and yellow sliders to refine skin tones. Focus on the saturation section to slightly decrease the intensity of specific colors if necessary. Switch to the luminance section to brighten or darken the skin tones. Ensure the changes enhance the skin without making it look unnatural. Proceed to the detail panel to adjust sharpening settings. Apply slight adjustments to avoid over-sharpening skin textures. Moving on to the split toning panel, add subtle color tones to highlights and shadows. Use a soft selection for highlights to enhance the glow of the skin. Now, click on the graduated filter tool to even out any inconsistent skin tones. Drag the filter over the area needing correction. Repeat the process with the adjustment brush for localized corrections as needed. Ensure the brush settings are adjusted to keep the effect subtle. Finally, review all changes made in the before and after comparison. Make any necessary final tweaks to achieve a harmonious look. Once satisfied, click the Open button to transfer your image to Photoshop for further editing. Your skin tones are now standardized and ready for brand use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.